A year ago, we all stood at a starting line. Now for me, what that looked like was keynote presentations, curriculum, but for you guys, it looked like a daunting, overwhelming task. And now that we're at the end, wasn't so bad, right? Not so bad. But it was a vision for a modern trade education. So for you guys, it looked like a uphill battle, a career change, and perhaps a first step toward what you've always wanted to do with your career. All right, a lot of times, young people, we don't know what we want to do. The trades is a great place to start because HVAC, it's not just about mechanics. You can go here, you can go here, you can go here. Ron took a different path than I did. You know, he was an equipment sales guy, which is a great career, right? So there's many different ways you guys can go from here. We laid the foundation, and that's what the trades are all about. There's a science to the trades. If you don't know that science, you're not going to be the best you could be out there in the field. Sure, we can all be parts changers, that's easy. But can we diagnose a system effectively? That's what's important, and that's what we built here over this last year. So the first thing I want to do is take a moment to just, a lot of educators don't do this, but I want to thank you guys. You know, it helps us. We learn along with you guys, we help you guys. So I want to thank you guys for choosing the training center. That means a lot to us, and I think we show you guys that every day when you come in and, you know, we interact with each other. So as one of the creators of this program, and the reason the program exists is because there's a disconnect between normal trade schools, your run-of-the-mill trade schools, and what we do. So when you go through a normal trade school, you're basically starting all over when you get to a job because you're not prepared. All right, we need foundation. You know, you don't build a house without a foundation first. So what we did here over this last year, we made you guys effective right away. Okay, strong foundation, good electrical. We spent a lot of time doing electrical stuff because 80% of troubleshooting is going to be electrical. Okay, so thank you guys for choosing us. So one thing I want to state is that this curriculum is just designed by industry professionals. We didn't teach from a book, right? We gave you guys the industry textbook, but all the curriculum is stuff I've seen, Ron's seen, Dan's seen out in their journey. And through hiring, I thought to myself, what do I want in a technician? And I built that. That's where it all kind of starts. So you took a chance on this curriculum and on us as your instructors, and we don't take that responsibility lightly. So seeing everybody here today at the end of this thing, that's probably the greatest validation this program could ever receive. We enjoy these intimate graduations and seeing you guys off. So the year wasn't easy. We spent time through webinars and the shop here. I watched some of you guys struggle with complex problems. I've seen you guys get frustrated when projects didn't go right the first time, and more importantly, I've watched you guys refuse to quit. A couple things we always talk about here: resilience and integrity. Integrity is a big word here for us. So you guys showed that throughout this program, and we appreciate that. So the trades are about more than just technical skill, resilience, integrity. You didn't just learn how to use the tools, we learned how to think, how to pivot, and how to take pride in a job well done. So as you guys leave the training center, you're not just students anymore, you're our colleagues. You're the professionals who will keep our world running, building, and growing. So 3 things I want to do, or some advice I can throw at you guys is never stop being a student. We preached that early on, student mentality. I'm 55, I've been in the game a long time, I learn something every day, especially while building curriculum to pass on to you guys. So always keep that in mind, a sponge, absorb, 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 own your craft. Your reputation is built on the quality of the work you leave behind when no one's watching. That's the big thing. When nobody's watching, are you going to perform the same way? And of course, remember your why. On the hard days, and there will be hard days, remember why you started this journey a year ago. Your families, right? You always remember, you run up to that adversity and you just keep moving forward because there's a bigger purpose behind it. And that's why we kind of do what we do, okay? It's a great field. I'm super proud of you guys that you stayed the course. I think we had a lot of fun. So I did the same thing this morning. I did this speech before I even introduced myself. I'm Rob Roy. I'm the director here at the training center. And again, this journey for me started probably 4 years ago. I taught at traditional trade schools and I hated it because they threw a big textbook at people and they said, read 7 chapters and we're gonna do a test on it. You don't get anything out of that, okay? So Dan said, what do you want to do? I said, I want to build a trade school that makes sense. I want to get these guys ready. So if I'm in a position and I want a worker, that's how this curriculum was created. I thought, okay, I'm hiring somebody. What do I want him to do? Who do I want him to be? Okay, or her. That's where this curriculum comes into play. I want you guys to be effective right away. I want you guys to go out into that workforce and be able to wire a low voltage system, tie in a condensing unit, and be good to go, troubleshoot, right? And I think we've proved that this year. We did a lot of troubleshooting. 80% of the troubleshooting stuff you're gonna run to is electrical. So maybe there were times when you guys are like, oh, I've wired these boards umpteen times. Good, do it again, because that's what you're gonna see out there. So hopefully through all this stuff, we've prepared you guys and we got you guys ready to take that next step. Now we're not done yet, okay? We spent the year together, but as you can see over here on the wall, the hydronics we're putting in, we're gonna come in, we're gonna learn hydraulics, okay? That's all part of what you're doing here. We're not done with you guys yet. You get an interview, let me know about it, right? I have contacts in a couple different unions, so does Ron, some facility maintenance type stuff. So we're gonna make some phone calls for you guys. Once we get you in front of somebody, now it's your job, right? Now the job is, can you sell yourself? That's a big thing too. You know, you gotta be able to talk about yourself. What was your journey, Evans? If you're good at electrical, that's what I'm talking about. When I get in front of somebody, oh, here's what I've done, right? There's some things you might not be great about, but here's where I shine. And you gotta have that confidence. And then once they give you a chance, now your work's gotta speak for itself, okay? So we'll help you get there, but you guys gotta seal that deal, all right? So don't think of this as the last night here, it's the last scheduled night here, all right? If you guys got a down afternoon, you know, Cormac, oh, I got nothing going, call me. Hey, let me come over and work with Ron on the hydronics over there. Come on over, man, you know? That's who we are now, we're a family. You know, I think everyone gelled together. This class was great and like working really well together. You just keep the lines of communication open, we'll get you there. We'll get everyone working and we'll get everyone successful, and then we help other people, right? So once you guys are out, you're established, I'm gonna be calling you. Hey, Ash, what are you doing Tuesday night? Can you come talk to the new class? You know, that would be pretty uplifting for these guys to hear that. You know what I mean? So that's what family does. We bring you guys back, we help you, and then you guys come in sometimes and give us a hand. So with that, again, my name's Rob Roy, I'm the director here. I want to introduce the staff a little bit. Guys, part of the program, you guys know Brando and Lewis. There are junior instructors, really good at the hands-on stuff, patient guys, fun guys. Because we learn a lot, but we have fun, right? You can't say we didn't have fun here. Ron is a new hire. Ron was hired to run this program up north. We just secured a 22,000 square foot building up in Branchburg. We're going to be running HVAC, which Ron will do, plumbing, electrical, welding. We're going to have a lot of stuff going on up there. So Ron, why don't you tell me about your journey and what brought you here?
So again, my name is Ron. I want to start kind of reiterating some things, but saying thank you. Thank you for recognizing that this is a skilled trade and it's a profession and it's a career. So thank you and welcome to that. And thank you for trusting us here. And for me, as he said, I came sort of late to the party mid-semester. Thank you for accepting me, even welcoming me. I feel welcomed by you people. I hate saying guys all the time because we've had this conversation before. So I sincerely mean that. Thank you. I feel like I've been here a short time, but I've already made friends and so forth. You're welcome to come back. We're going to be letting you know as we're rolling out the curriculum for the boilers specifically, when that stuff is hitting. You can watch it live, you can watch the recordings. Please come back and work with us again, work with me again. But opportunities are all over the place, and there's so many different avenues and directions that the careers can take you. It's really neat. So welcome and thank you.
And that's the big thing Ron mentioned. Don't get tunnel vision. There's so many ways you can go with this thing, right? I mean, a lot of people make a great living off of knowing the equipment so well they can sell to, contractors. You can go refrigeration, commercial, work on the big rack systems in the supermarkets. It's the vapor compression system. No matter where you take it, whether it's a big industrial chiller, a commercial rack system, somebody's house, that vapor compression system is the same, it's just a different size, right? But the science, absolutely the same. The wiring, the same, right? So higher voltages, but it's the same deal again. So in closing, just the jargon here, I really enjoyed this class. You guys were a lot of fun. Congratulations. So what we'll do now is I'll call you guys up. We'll give you guys your transcript, which you need to break into the industry, because that's the way it is anymore. Nobody's going to hire you without a trade school transcript. I encourage you guys to use us as a reference, because we're going to make some phone calls for you guys, but you guys search on your own too. You've got to be tenacious, okay? Use us as a reference. You can use me personally as a reference. I am a New Jersey HVACR contractor as well as contractor sponsor, which means we deliver the continuing education to other contractors. So we have a reach and we have a name in the industry, so use it. Put it on your resumes or put it on your job applications. But we'll get everyone their transcript and your certificate of completion, and then we'll see. All right, Ash.
You want me this side? That's got to shake on the left hand. Proud of you. Thank you very much. Congrats. Well, you want to hand? All right, go ahead. I'm sorry. Congrats, guys.
Thank you.
And the reason we're handing
I
out
don't know if I should give it up.
Klein 11-in-1 screwdrivers, because what do I say you enter a house with? A meter and an 11-in-1. You can probably fix 60% of the stuff out there, right? You walk into a house, you're prepared. Anthony Thomas.
Let's go, Anthony.
Congratulations, buddy. What time? Not early, right? No. Jarvin. Yeah.
Thank you, man. Congrats, thank you. Here you go, Trevor. You got it.
You don't need to. You don't want it.
You're right. What should I say, Eric? A little bit about Iraj, because I find it fascinating. He's from Tajikistan. Loves America so much, he bought an HVAC company before any type of training. And he's actually doing well. So, again, he's got the open door policy for doing well. Mr. Abel. We don't have any coquito tonight.
Nah, I forgot the bourbon. I forgot the bourbon, man.
Oh, don't forget.
My guys, thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Appreciate it.
And guys, like I said, we're going to be sending out text messages. Keep in touch. Where's Ryan? There you go, buddy. Is Cormac. Good job, buddy. Thank you.
Good job.
right, Evan. Good job, buddy. You did really well. You're doing well out there. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Danger.
Good job, good job.
All right.
Hurry up. The flyest guy in the room is our match. Good job. Yeah, good job.
Thank you. Congratulations. Good on.
Yes, sir, buddy.
Whole swing. Radio.
Good job, good job.
All right, man.
All right, Jason. Codename Mr. Methodical. All right, Chris. Good job, Chris. Good job. Let me center myself so I can point out. Come on, Evans. Glad. We learned, the beauty of the program being a year long is you get to develop relationships with these guys. And anyone who goes through the training center, we're family now. So these guys can lean on us, they can always call us, our doors are always open, just call first, make sure we're around. So even though this is our last day together, our journey's not over. It just started.